Now this is a roundabout in the barking area. It's very awkward because it doesn't follow the normal roundabout rules where you give way to your right. So the roundabout sign, it doesn't show you anything that's going to make you think there's something different about this roundabout. So on this occasion, we're going to be turning right at the roundabout, third exit. So in the right-hand lane, we've given a right signal, and now we're expecting to go up to the roundabout and give way to cars coming from your right. Now, what makes this roundabout awkward is you're not giving way to cars coming from your right. The signs on the floor, these signs here, tell you that the car coming from the right must give way and you have priority to continue around the roundabout joining in. So there's no warning about this on the sign. You just find out when you get to the roundabout and you prepare to give way to your right, then you see the marking on the floor. So make sure you practice this one and you're used to it. Okay, now this is a roundabout that gives learners a lot of trouble. You might not think it's a roundabout, but examiners do call it a roundabout. There's no sign giving directions approaching the roundabout. Now the roundabout is basically the roads going around this Lidl supermarket. So we're going to go right, second exit at the roundabout. This is what examiners will say typically. So in the right hand lane, with the right signal on, looking for a gap in the traffic. Okay, now this is not an exit. Do not count this as an exit. So stay in the right hand lane. Okay, now the first exit is that way to the left. So if you're in the left lane, you can go and take the first exit. Now, a lot of learners do make a mistake. They get caught out by people who are using this zebra crossing. So let that be a warning to you. People can walk from behind that shop quite quickly and get to the zebra crossing. Now, the number one reason why people fail on this roundabout is this marking on the floor. They don't know what it means. Normally, you give way to traffic coming from your right on a roundabout unless the signs markings say otherwise. Now on this occasion, this marking means you give way to traffic coming from your left. So when you get here, you must check for traffic coming from your left. This is the number one reason why people fail on this roundabout. Okay, now after you've gone ahead here, you should move back to the left lane. There's an arrow on the floor showing that this lane is going to go right only. If you go right here, you're going the wrong way, which is not a fault, so don't worry. Sometimes the examiner will kind of encourage you to move back over to the left lane. If they haven't, just carry on going this way and you'll be given new instructions. So just to show you again, give way here to traffic coming from your left. After you've given way, move back into your normal driving position, which is in the left lane. Check your left mirror, give a left signal, and move back to the left lane and carry on driving, and you're off the roundabout.